so do not choke. Hopefully Caitlin's up to date on
Okay, guys, there's no backing out. Alright?
Caitlin can't save you either. You're pretty much dead.
Do it!
Go!
Do it!
1, 2, 3!
Hey! Kenzie, put it in!
I don't have any water. No. You go get water. You're the one who has... No, go get the water. Go.
I can't. I will throw up. I will throw up. I didn't even go in.
Do it!
Mama, I believe in you.
I'm backing up.
I'm literally going to throw up if I do it.
Molly,
I threw up from baby food squash.
you're the worst.
Remember that.
You're the worst.
Come on, Mal.
Do not put that in your mouth.
Come on, Mal.
No.
Come on.
Look at Olivia. She's scared of me. Team, I can't do it.
You can do it.
We're leaving. Let me see. Molly, don't do it.
Come on, Mal. How often is your mom giving you good advice?
Well, what if I die?
Go on right now.
Well, then we'll always remember this Christmas.
Come on.
Don't
Go,
do it, Molly.
go,
Do it.
go.
I'll do it. Hey, I'll do it again. It really didn't go in my mouth. Oh my god, it's caught my throat!
What's the challenge? You're not allowed to swallow more.
You have to swallow the whole thing.
All right, I'll be in the car, Molly, whenever you're ready to film.
Can we do it on Christmas Eve?
Okay.
So I can practice. I'm so nervous.
Wait, practice.
Yeah.
Try just half of the thing.
You can build up your immunity.
I will literally gag if I have this whole thing. I'll practice.
No, you won't.
All I got was a lick, and I'm literally like...
No, I started laughing the second it got halfway in my mouth and it like squirted everywhere.
Thank you. I got a picture of him on.
I got most of it.
Hold on, I'm gonna pull that.